So we're back with the 84 F250. No engine in it, not running, can't move, but we're worried about a window. Seems like these really aren't horrible to replace, assuming I'm figuring out things correct. In case you're wondering, previous owner said a tree fell through the window, and that's why there's a dent back there too. Basically, got all these nuts back in here. That one I just removed. There's still a nut on that one, if you can barely see it. But a few of these snapped off, so this isn't going to be completely replaced today, but she's going to be close. My plan is to straighten this thing out halfway so it can hold the window back in, and then whenever I get a new one of these, then I'm going to come back in, actually tar all this and everything, and make it right. But just for the sheer fact of it keeps raining, and however the bag I've had in here has done a good job. I'd really rather just have a window in there. Plus I just got the window and it lessens my chance of breaking it. So I'm gonna get to this. So fun tech tip from me. Don't ever try to straighten this out. It clearly does not work. I've broken it in 1, 2, and 3 different locations. I thought to myself, man, I'll just straighten this thing out for now, you know, have it look okay. Don't do that. Get another one. It's completely junk. It's just like old pot metal. It ain't worth a darn. But it's gonna rain. I need to have a window in my truck since I ripped the dog food bag off. So I got it straightened out, hopefully enough-ish to where it's going through the holes in the window. And as you can see, there's 2 studs on that side, and 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. Nothing's holding in the top, so that's good. You know, not like water comes in through the top or anything first. I was hoping to originally flip this thing over, but you can't actually, I learned. So if you need one of those, if you think you might need one of those, just buy it. Sadly, I have an oddball colored truck, so this is an oddball color. It's not rare, but you just don't see a lot of these per se. I'm not saying it's rare in the slightest, but finding this piece in this color is going to be an oddball. So what I'll probably end up doing though is getting on eBay, finding one, then finding a color match paint, painting it. It won't match the color, but it will. So since there literally is rain coming, I'm not going to have a great video here of me installing it, time-lapsing, all that jazz. You'll see it when it's in, so sorry about that. So this is the absolutely horrible looking finished product. I'm gonna get in the truck because it's legitimately starting to rain and it's getting real windy, so give me a sec here. So as you can see from inside the truck now, still finished product. Now the main reason too I want to do this is because those things are getting really warped from how everything was going up against it. Basically I didn't like that, so I figured, hell, this is a good time to do this. I didn't look at the weather and didn't realize it was going to rain. So tech tip number 2, check the weather before you do this. Because, well, it's raining. And me and the dogs all need to get inside. Mainly the dogs, because I don't know what the pup's doing. He's sitting there sniffing the wind, but and the old dog doesn't seem to care either. But regardless, they need to be inside. So, till the next one, thanks for watching. Sorry, this one was quick and dirty. But time was a definite limiting factor, so you'll have that on those big jobs.